Hey everyone, Dr. Anis Khalif with Acupuncture Fit here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about why we don't use needles. Yes, at Acupuncture Fit and when I'm out in the field and talking to people about acupuncture, the number one question that we get why patients don't want to try acupuncture is because they think we use hypodermic needles for our treatments, or also known as a shot. Yeah, that's right. We get this question. It is the number one question that I get asked. And today I'm going to bust that myth and even show you what an acupuncture instrument is, what I like to call it. And they're not pianos and guitars. An acupuncture instrument, it looks like. And I'm going to go into the details about it. So let's dive right in. And if you're watching and you like what you're seeing, please hit that heart button, that share button, and share this with your friends and your family. At Acupuncture Fit, we firmly believe that traditional Chinese medicine and acupuncture techniques can improve your health. So if you go over to our Facebook page, we have a lot of valuable information that's Acupuncture Fit. So again, please share this and like this if you like this information. So first of all, the difference between an acupuncture instrument versus a hypodermic needle or a shot is this. A hypodermic needle, if you were to look at it under a microscope, it's hollow. And basically the tip is serrated. And it's like that is because it needs to penetrate the skin and the muscle, get the fluid or whatever's being injected to go where it needs to go. And that's why it inflicts a lot of pain. An acupuncture instrument, which is the size of a cat's whisker or 2 hairs, that thin, literally 10 to 15 acupuncture instruments on average can fit inside the standard hypodermic needle. And if you were to look under the microscope at an acupuncture instrument, the tip is blunt like my pinky. It's solid, so there's a lot less surface area there that is available to inflict pain when it penetrates the skin. And when it penetrates the skin, because it's blunt like the tip of my pinky, it moves the nerve endings left and right, and a vast majority of the time I can safely say it doesn't hurt if done right. And also it moves the nerve endings left and right, causing less pain than what you're used to as far as a hypodermic needle or a shot. It doesn't inject any substance, and a vast majority of the time also it doesn't cause bleeding. So an acupuncture instrument looks like this. It's a one-time use instrument, and it's in a very sterile environment here. And I'll go in and take out the package. And there's 2 parts to the instrument. We've got the handle and the actual instrument. Some people do call it a needle, but in my practice, we call them instruments because they're super, super thin. And again, a vast majority of the time, they don't hurt. So again, this is the difference between an acupuncture instrument and a hypodermic needle. So if you're wondering, should I try acupuncture or should I not? We get a lot of patients in here that have tattoos and they're like, Doc, I'm scared, I don't want to try this. Well, you know what? This instrument is even more fine than a lot of the tattoo needles that they use. So they're one-time use disposable instruments, very, very flexible. And again, if you look at it under the microscope, it's blunt like my pinky. So when it does penetrate the skin, it moves the nerve endings left and right. After the procedure is done, we simply remove it from the patient and we put it into a sterile container. And then that is shipped off and properly disposed. So again, we don't use hypodermic needles for acupuncture treatments. We use instruments. Hey, thank you so much for watching. And again, if you like what you're hearing, you can go check out our Facebook page at Acupuncture Fit, and you'll see a link to an ebook that I wrote with my colleague, Dr. David Tuhill, talking about how traditional Chinese medicine techniques can help you improve your health. So I hope everybody has a happy and healthy day. And if you have any questions, please post them in the comment below. Let us know where you're from, and we'll be happy to personally answer them. My name is Dr. Anis Khalif with Acupuncture Fit.